What's happening, YouTube? Been a busy couple of weeks. I hadn't put out a video. Last weekend was Father's Day, so I spent time with my boys. I've had one in the can for a little while. Back in the spring, we got a lawnmower. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that video out. Don't wanna leave y'all empty-handed. Sometimes it's just hard to find time to put out all these videos, but I appreciate y'all supporting and watching. And please, take some time, go hit that like button. Go hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. It'll help us keep making these videos. We really appreciate it. So now check out our lawnmower.
All right, welcome back to Nine Fingered Wrenching. So we have got a project that showed up. Something's right on time too. Just in time for spring. This was right on time. Let me show you. That's right, we've got a lawnmower. She needs some work though. First thing we gotta do is fix it flat. Go ahead and get the battery charging and then go run to Tractor Supply or somewhere and grab us an inner tube. So let's get started doing that. Alright, I got it all jacked up a while ago to take that wheel off. So I think I'm going to go ahead and find something to set underneath it. That way I got it propped up and I can go ahead and roll the jack back in the garage. The Craftsman YT 4500. This old bad boy, need a little work on the seat there, looks like. Let's see what we got under the hood here. Oh wow, 26 horsepower. That's a big old motor. Come back here. I believe I got it. Old Duralast. Check the juice in there and throw it on the charger. We're just going to take a peek and see if all the cells look like they're topped off with fluid. I think that's the fill line right there. Those look pretty good. Those are alright too. Very nice. Alright, we've got a regular, not an AGM. Let's see what she says when we put her. Boom! If you have never wrestled with one of these small tires trying to change out an inner tube, well, let me just tell you, that is something that you're going to really want to do. Man. And they're good. All right, after much fighting, we got the inner tube out. 6.00-6. Yep. So 15 by 6-6. So I need your inner tube that fits that. All right, we're going to have to go make a road trip. Now we're going to start the cram. Alright, I got the valve stem back out there, so put the cap on. That might help keep from losing it. See, we can air it up. It's a fight. Oh gosh. I'm sweating. Come on, baby. If you notice, I put a zip tie on the valve stem to keep from losing it inside the rim. Plus, you know, when I push that inflator onto it, it keeps it stiff.
Not quite popped on our bead yet there. Alright, I'm gonna call that done. Alright, grease port goes to the outside so you can grease it. Cool. Man, this thing's nasty. I need to put that spark plug back in it. We may try to spray it off a little bit before we put our battery back.
Man, gotta bust out the purple power. Get after it with that. It's amazing what that stuff does. It'll break through that grease and just rinse it right off.
Seems like every time I try to do something, it's like leaf blowers, airplanes, birds, helicopters. It's almost like I'm on the planet with other people. What the hell? Cool.
Whoops.
I wonder if I ran out of gas. I get off a little bit and then one tire just starts spinning. I have to like bounce on that side. I think it's probably out of gas.
All right, so the other day we got our lawnmower running, and it ran for just a little bit, and then it just shut down. Then I realized I never did put any gas in it, so I ran a gas out of it. I put more gas in it, and I could never get it to start back up. So me and the boys, we installed a couple new spark plugs, installed a new fuel filter. We also installed a new air filter. So what I ended up finding, other than a pretty nasty air cleaner, was the fuel filter. It got a little hole in it right there. So once it ran out of gas, I never could get it to prime back up. I did finally get it to fill back up with gas, and it was just spewing out there. So I ran and got a new fuel filter. And after that, It started back up again, and it ran. We mowed the yard with it. It was nice having a riding lawnmower from mowing up and down this hill. Let's just see if it'll crank up for us. Been setting since last weekend. She's leaking something. That's some fresh leakage right there. All right, it runs. Got some stuff we need to work on, but it cuts grass. It's better to push more, kinda. A little tough on this hill back here, and plus everything's wet. Yep. We got a flat tire. So I got a tire I still got to fix. Maybe look into that oil leak. I don't know. But it's a lawnmower. Thank each and every one of you for tuning in to Nine Finger Wrenching. Appreciate y'all. Come back for more. We're going to keep on working on stuff with our 9 fingers. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
And seriously, go subscribe. We need your support as we try to grow this channel into something special. Me and my family really appreciate y'all. Thanks so much for watching.